Hello, in our previous video we ended at the self-fill handle. We said we use the self-fill handle when you want to copy a formula down or a function down, or when you have set a pattern and you want to reproduce many from that patterns without necessarily typing it one by one. Let's first start with the days of the week. Excel is very good in working with patterns. So if you specify a pattern, Excel will produce the rest for you. I want to type Monday to Sunday in column B. I can start from Monday, Tuesday. Okay, I have specified a pattern that I want to type the days of the week. When I select the two, bring my cursor to where the self-fill handle is, that is the square box here, it changes to a cross sign. When I drag it once, I can see Wednesday. That means if I leave my cursor or I leave the mouse, I'll get Tuesday. If I drag it down, Thursday. So I want up to Sunday. Easy fixed. I want to type the counting numbers from 1 to, let's say, 100. I don't need to type all. I can specify the first 3, telling Excel the intervals are 1, 1, 1, and then I can drag it down all the way to my 100. Easy fix. I don't need to be typing it one by one. Okay, we can also do the same for months of the year. So January, FEB for February, and then select the 2, drag it down. Excel will give me up to December. Easy fixed. And I can type it in full also. So the cell handle is very good when you want to duplicate your data based on a pattern. Easy fixed. See you in the next video. Thank you.